This video is a brief overview of the percentage of completion method by Kevin Ottson, Jon-Hayes Pipes, and Cam Rust. The percentage of completion method is a method of recognizing revenue over a period of time. As you incur your costs, you also want to proportionally recognize your revenue. In other words, if you incur 25% of your costs in one period, you want to also recognize 25% of your revenue. Or if it's 60% of your costs, then you want to recognize 60% of your revenue. Or if you incur all of your costs, you want to go ahead and recognize 100% of your revenue. For example, let's look at this $4 million contract that's going to be completed over 3 years. In the first year, we're going to incur 25% of our costs, so we're going to multiply 25% times our $4 million contract and recognize $1 million in revenue. The next year, we'll have 35% costs, and we'll have $1.4 million in revenue. And the last year, we'll have 40% costs, and we'll multiply that by our $4 million contract and recognize the last $1.6 million.
Hopefully this video has helped explain how the percentage of completion method of revenue recognition can be useful in contracts, in contrast to the completed contract method, which only recognizes revenue at the satisfaction or completion of the contract.